Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri, wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course 2, grammar Wahaba with page 1, pointer B. Did you watch the video of this lesson? You have to choose just one line. One option you have to choose. A 100, B more than 25%, C more than 50%, or D next time, inshallah. Choose one. Choose one option.
Choose one option.
Yeah.
Next time, inshallah.
Next time, inshallah. Okay. So now, pointer lesson 1B, grammar with 1B. Okay. Pointer 1 with grammar with 1B. In this lesson, Wahaba, we're going to learn Wahaba. Do you remember? Let's do it with me. Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
Yes, the low level, elbow level. Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
He did.
He did it.
Fa'alu.
Fa'alu.
Fa'alta.
Fa'alta.
Fa'altu.
Fa'altu.
Fa'altum.
Fa'altum.
Fa'alna.
Fa'alna.
Okay, now this one. In order. Yaf'alu.
Yaf'alu.
Yaf'aluna.
Yaf'aluna.
Taf'alu.
Taf'alu.
Af'alu.
Af'alu.
Taf'aluna.
Taf'aluna.
Naf'alu.
Naf'alu.
Now third line. Fi'l amr. If'al.
If'al.
If'alu.
If'alu. If'al. If'alu.
La taf'al.
La taf'al.
La taf'alu.
La taf'alu.
Fa'il.
Fa'il.
You know fa'il means doer.
Yes, fa'il.
Maf'ul, the one who is affected. Maf'ul.
Maf'ul, the one who affected.
Fi'l.
Fi'l.
Let's see what is next. Let's first talk about weak letters. Alif, ya, waw. Alif, ya, waw. Or you can say wow, ya, alif, anyone. Why? Because a weak or a sick person makes similar sound when in pain. E, u. So the same sound you will listen here. If we have a weak letter in a fi'l, so like wahaba, waw is weak. Second, wa'ada, waw is weak. Qala, so alif is weak in qala, the second letter. These are three weak verbs. If someone's hand is weak person. Similarly, if one of three letters is weak, so weak verb. Remember two things. When you have a weak verb, they follow one of these styles. Very easy. They follow one of these styles very easy. Like fataha, yaftahu. Okay. Nasara, yansuru. And daraba, just one. Daraba, yadribu. Okay. Now Weak 2. Weak letters get tired. Weak letters get tired. Weak letters get tired. They disappear or change with one another. With one another. Weak letters get tired. They disappear or change with one another. Like wow change into Hamza. Alif change into Hamza. Maybe sometime, and ya change into Hamza, and like. So all of these changes are there to make it easy for you to say. Why these are changes? To make it easy for you to say. Okay? So the first thing is one of these style, very easy. And the second is weak letters get tired. So now let's take Wahaba. Wahaba means he gave something, or he granted, he bestowed. Wahaba means he bestowed, or Wahaba means he granted, or Wahaba means he gave something big. First letter is weak. Okay, first letter is weak. And let's take a verse of the Mus'haf where it is mentioned. رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَّدُنْكَ رَحْمَةً إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْوَهَّابُ. This is the example. وَهَبْ لَنَا, وَهَبْ لَنَا. So Wahaba, he gave. Wahaba, he gave. Okay, on this level, elbow level. Wahaba means he gave. So first letter is weak in Wahaba, and then this is the TPI of Fi'l Madi of the word Wahaba. Wahaba, Wahabu, Wahabta, Wahabtu, Wahabtum, Wahabna. So Wahaba is a key of Fi'l Madi. Wahaba is a key of Fi'l Madi. The all other words will be easy for you if you note down Wahaba, because it will be Wahaba, Wahabu, Wahabta, Wahabtu, Wahabtum, Wahabna. It will be easy. It's gonna be easy, yes. And next, spoken Arabic. So Hal Wahaba, Hal Wahaba.
Hal Wahaba.
Yes. Did he grant something? Did he grant or did he give?
Naam.
Naam. Wahaba. Yes. Hal Wahabu. Hal Wahabu.
Hal Wahabu.
Yeah, read these words very carefully, because in the next PPTs you will have to give answer correctly. You will have to choose the options. So Hal Wahabu. Naam.
Hal Wahabu. Naam.
Wahabu.
Wahabu.
Hal Wahabta.
Hal Wahabta.
Naam. Wahabtu.
Naam. Wahabtu.
Hal Wahabtum.
Hal Wahabtum.
Naam. Wahabna.
Naam. Wahabna.
Wahaba. And this is mentioned in the Mus'haf. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ. This is the ayah. Surah Al-An'am, ayah, verse number 84. Okay, Wahaba is used. Now, question third. Translation of Wahaba. A, you all grant. B, he grants. C, they grant. D, he granted. He granted. So which option you're going to choose now?
A.
A. No, A means you all. And Wahaba is just for singular.
Oh, he granted. So
which one?
B.
It will be for Fi'l Mudari. It is not Fi'l Mudari. It is Madi. Past tense. Yes, it is not Mudari, not imperfect. We did not learn the imperfect of Wahaba.
He grant.
No.
D.
Yes, give me the letter D. Okay. After 3 or 4 attempts, you correct. You did it. MashaAllah. So now, وَضَعْتُمْ. وَضَعَ means to put something. وَضَعْتُمْ. وَضَعْتُمْ. So A, you all have put. B, you all give. C, we put. D, you all have given. وَضَعْتُمْ. Which one is correct? Choose one. Hurry up.
B.
That is B. Okay, let's check. That is A. You all have put. You all have put. وَضَعْتُمْ, because وَضَعْتُ, وَضَعْتُمْ. وَضَعْتَ, just you, and وَضَعْتُمْ, you all. Okay, question number 7. هَلْ وَهَبْتُمْ. هَلْ وَهَبْتُمْ. The answer will be A, B, C, D. Or any other? Anything else? Choose one of them.
B.
MashaAllah. First attempt. And that's great. Yes, question number 9. Translate. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ. A, and we gave Ishaq to him. B, and we give to him Ishaq. C, and I gave to him Ishaq. And D, and we gave to him Ishaq. Which one is correct?
D.
MashaAllah. The correct answer. So now this is the time to celebrate. Every question is have a right answer.
Oh, we need lamb today.
So Wahaba, one of the 4 styles below, because it is a 3-letter verb. What should we place on ha to make it easy to say? Because it has a weak letter, so we have to replace, we have to remove. And which change we're gonna make now? Just see it and remember it. Fataha yaftahu. So wahaba yawhabu. Waw will be removed. Waw is removed because easy to say. We have to make it easy to say. It will be yahabu. 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 Wahaba yahabu. Yes.
Wahaba yahabu.
It was in fact yawhabu. Wahaba yawha. On the pattern of yaftahu. Yawhabu. But because waw is weak letter and it's been removed, so it became yahabu. Yahabu.
Yahabu.
And then the next pattern, nasara, yansuru, wahaba, yawhubu, and all. So
yes,
you got it? Wahaba, yahabu. So wahaba is the key of past conjugation, past tense, perfect tense, and yahabu is the key of mudari' conjugation, means imperfect tense. Yahabu, yahabuna, tahabu, ahabu, tahabuna, nahabu. Do it with me. Wahaba.
Wahaba.
Wahabu.
Wahabu.
Wahabta.
Wahabta.
Wahabtu.
Wahabtu.
Wahabtum.
Wahabtum.
Wahabna.
Wahabna.
Yahabu.
Yahabu.
Yahabuna.
Yahabuna.
Tahabu.
Tahabu.
Ahabu.
Ahabu.
Tahabuna.
Tahabuna.
Nahabu.
Nahabu.
Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Now spoken Arabic. Let's do it. Hal yahabu.
Hal yahabu.
Yes. Answer is?
Naam.
No,
yahabu.
right side, not in front of you. Right side. Yes. Yahabu. Hal yahabu.
Yahabu.
Naam yahabu. Hal yahabuna.
Hal yahabuna. Naam. Yahabuna.
Hal tahabu.
Hal tahabu, naam, ahabu.
MashaAllah. Hal tahabuna?
Hal tahabuna, naam, nahab.
MashaAllah. Okay. Remember, okay? Because now
Yeah.
this is the just after some PPTs there will be a question time. So Yahabu is mentioned in the Mus'haf in the Quran. Yahabu liman yasha'u inatha wa yahabu liman yasha'u dhukur. Ashura verse 49. Yahabu, 2 times. Yahabu and wa yahabu. Question time. Translate into Arabic. You grant. You grant. It may be just you. It may be you all. Or it may be anything else.
Tahab. See.
Tahab. Subhanallah. Great. Okay, next question is Hal tada'una? Hal tada'una? So the answer should be
Hal tada'una.
This is imperfect. Answer should be imperfect, I think, or maybe Madi. Yes. Which one?
B.
B. This is Hal tada'una.
Hal tada'una.
Will you all put?
Naam. Wada'ana. D.
This is C. Because I gave you a hint. You remember? I told you that this is imperfect. So answer should be imperfect. And you choose the D, that is not imperfect. That is perfect. That is past. Okay. But Alhamdulillah. Amr. Make the last letter sakin. To make Amr, just make the last letter sakin. Like it was Wahaba, Yahabu. So from Yahabu, the Ya will be removed and say Hab. Because last letter of Amr will be Sakin. Last letter of the Amr will be Sakin. And no need of Hamza. Just remove Ya and make the last letter Sakin and say Hab. Habu. La tahabu. Okay, let's see. Hab, give, grant. Habu, give, you all. La tahab, don't give. La tahabu, don't give you all. And hab is the key of fi'l amr. Okay, spoken Arabic, hab. Answer, ahabu. I will give. Hab, give. I will give. Habu. Give, you all. Nahabu. We will give. Hab is mentioned in Mus'haf, Surah Al-Safat, verse number 100. Rabbi habli minas salihin. So Rabbi hab fi'li amr. Hab. Rabbi habli minas salihin. Spoken Arabic. La tahab.
La tahab. La ahab.
La ahabu. Say la ahabu.
La ahab.
One. La ahabu. And la tahabu.
La tahabu.
La nahabu.
La nahab.
But remember one thing. La ahabu and la nahabu is these are the brief answers, because the complete answers are like la ahabu. Means no, I will not give. We see, this is the common thing. Like you just ask me to give something, so give me. No, I won't give. I won't give you something. So there is la ahabu. La ahabu. Okay.
La ahab.
And la tahabu. La nahabu. No, we
La
will not
nahab.
give.
We will not give.
Yes. Like I will not give you time to think of more and more. You will have to give me the answer quickly.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Translate. Rabbi habli. Rabbi habli. Rabbi. And hab. Then li. Rabbi habli. Choose one. A, my Lord, grant me. B, my Lord, grant us. C, my Lord, grant me. And D, my Lord, granted me. Rabbi habli. And yes, think about this is Madi, Mudari or Amr. Remember that. Then give the answer. Time is what?
B.
Okay, one more attempt. One more chance. Let's see.
Okay, Rabbi habli. Okay, D.
You missed.
Oh, Lord grant me.
Because Rabbi, you remember? Rabbi,
Yeah,
that
my
is
Rab.
Rabbi. My Rab, my Lord, my sustainer. Hab, grant. Li, me. Yes, Rabbi habli, my Lord, grant me. Okay, but it's okay. Nothing is so far, inshallah. Hab, habu, la tahabu, wahib, one who gives. Mahub, the one who is given. Mahub, the one who is given. Wahab, to give.
Okay.
And hibatan, it will be later on, inshallah. So it's spoken Arabic. Hal anta wahib. Hal anta wahib.
Hal anta wahib. Nam anna wahib.
So anta wahib.
Anta wahib.
So hal antum wahibun.
Hal antum wahibun.
Yes. Why I did it? Because these are this is the plural. Wahib is singular and wahibun is plural. You remember? Mawhub is singular, mawhubun is plural. So hal antum wahibun. Naam. Nahnu.
Hal antum wahibun.
Give the answer with action.
Nam nahnu wahibun.
No, do it also. Naam, nahnu wahibun.
Nam nahnu wahibun.
Okay, so wahib, mawhub, wahab. And mention this word is like similar and the same from the same root letter. Al-Imran, ayah number 8. Innaka antal wahhab. Like the superlative degree of wahib. Wahhab. Okay, hal antum wahibun. The question is, hal antum wahibun. So what will be the answer? Which one? Choose the one. Choose anyone.
D.
Really? MashaAllah, the correct answer. Okay, so now let's do the TPI. Wahaba. Wahabu. Wahabta. Wahabtu. Wahabtum. Wahabna. Yahabu. Yahabuna. Tahabu. Ahabu. Tahabuna. nahabu.
Nahabu.
And you just see one word is added. Wahabat. Wahabat in Madi. And tahabu in Mudari. Wahabat in the last. See this one.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, wahabta. Okay.
Like wahaba, wahabat, wahabat. Okay, the ta is sakin. And tahabu, similar to tahabu. Tahabu, tahabu.
Okay.
For the woman also. For feminine gender. Okay, hab.
Habu.
Habu.
Abu.
La tahab.
La tahab.
La tahabu.
La tahabu.
Wahib.
Wahib.
Mawhub.
Mawhub.
Wahab.
Wahab.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So wahaba, wahabu, wahabat. Remember, wahabat and tahabu. These two words. Repeat the whole table. Now repeat it yourself. Hurry up, hurry up.
Wahabu.
Wahaba. Say wahaba, wahabu.
Yeah. Wahaba.
Yes.
Wahabu.
Your right side, your right side.
Wahab. Wahab. Wahaba. Wahabu. Wahab. Wahabta. Wahabtum.
Wahabtum. Wahabtu.
What?
Wahabtu.
Wahabtu. Wahabtu. Wahabtum. Wahabna.
Good, mashallah. Okay, now mudari'.
Wahabtu.
No, that is left hand.
Yeah, wahab.
And same level. Wahabat. That is wahabat.
Oh, wahabat.
Yes. Now yahabu.
Yahabu.
The high level.
Yeah.
Eye level.
Yeah.
Eye level. Yes.
Yahabu. Yahabuna. Yahabuta.
Tahabu. Say tahabu.
Tahabu. Tahabu. Ahabu. Tahabutum. Tahabuna.
Tahabuna. Good.
Tahabuna. Nahabu.
Yes, nahabu. Then left hand, eye level, tahabu. Okay. Now
tahabu.
Amr.
Hab. Ubu. La tahab.
Mashallah.
La tahabu.
Okay. Very good.
Wahab.
Wahib. Fa'il.
Yeah, wahib. Mawhub. Wahaba.
Yes, good, mashallah. Let's see what is next. Now, short TPI. I mean, we will pick up every first key of the verb tables. Like the verb table of past, the key is wahaba. And the verb key of mudari is yahabu. And the amr, hab. And fa'il, wahib. Maf'ul, mawhub. Wahab. So wahaba, say it with me, looking at the screen. Yeah. Wahaba. Yahabu. Hab. Wahib. Mawhub. Wahab. Yeah.
Wahab.
Question number. Question now. This is question time. 3 noun keys of wada'a are. 3 noun keys. Wada'a are. Which one? Wada'a yada'u da'a. Wadi' mawdu' wad'. Wadih mawdu' wadaha. Wadda' mawdu' wada'a. The word is wada'a. You have the word is wada'a, and you have to pick up. You have to pick any any line, and you have to choose an option which has 3 nouns in one queue, one line. Yes. Time starts now, and you have just 4 seconds for row. A, B, C, D.
A.
Now, that is A? Really? One more chance.
D.
D.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's check.
Oh.
You just jump from A to D. I was thinking that maybe you can choose B. Okay, let's have one more jump. But you just jump. 3 verbs key. Now 3 verbs keys of wahaba are A, B, C, D. Remember, wahaba is a word, and you have to choose a key of 3 verbs. Which line has 3 verbs in it? So that is A, B, C, D. In a line should be 4 verbs. No noun is needed. Yes. Which one? A or B? Three verbs keys of wahaba are A, B, C, D. So which one is the option you choose? You are mute. Be unmute. Be unmute. Yes.
A.
Wow, mashallah. Did you see the book during net connectivity?
No, you don't send me the book yet.
Oh.
Maybe
Inshallah.
today you're gonna send me.
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Let me send it today, inshallah. Okay, so wahaba, wa'ada, qala, zada, da'a, hada. I hope you remember it. Allah will give, it's a promise. Wahaba, wa'ada. Allah will give, it's a promise. In fact, he said, qala, zada. He will give more. Therefore, pray to him for guidance. Da'a, hada. These are 8 verbs we're going to learn, inshallah, day by day. And a good lesson in all these 8 verbs Allah will give. It is a promise made by him. In fact, he said he will give more. Yes, therefore, pray to him for guidance. Inshallah. So grammar 1B, weak verb, wahaba. Question 1. Memorize the table for wahaba truly and answer the following. Translate into Arabic. Allah gave mercy. Allah gave mercy.
Allah give mercy. Rahmatullahi.
Wahaba. Wahaballahu rahmatan. Allah gave mercy. Wahaballahu rahmah.
Yeah.
Translate into English. Hablana rahmah. Hablana rahmah.
Yeah. Hablana rahmah.
In English, in English.
Oh, in English?
Translate into English. Give us mercy, give us mercy. Hab, give. Lana, us. Rahmatan, mercy. So answer with yes in Arabic. Hal wahabtum. Hal wahabtum khalidan.
Hal wahabtum.
Khalidan.
Hal wahabtum khalidan.
Now, give me the answer in Arabic.
Hablana rahmat.
No. Hal wahabtum khalidan. What will be the answer in Arabic?
Naam.
Good.
Wahabu khalidan. Naam wahabu khalidan.
Naam wahabna khalidan.
Naam wahabna khalidan.
Yes, we gave him, we gave Khalid. And now question 2, write full table for the verb wada'a. Yes, now you have to do this homework. Write full table for the verb wada'a, he put, which is similar to wahaba, and circle the 6 keys. Circle the 6 keys. No need to translate the words. فعل ماضي, فعل مضارع, فعل أمر, فاعل مفعول. أمر ناي and فاعل مفعول. Soon you will have the book, inshallah. And then do the homework. May Allah Almighty give us tawfiq and help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ameen ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.